Good morning, everybody. How's everybody liking the winter weather out there? Well, it's going to continue at least for a few more days. And another thing that I'm watching for is a possible ice event on the 25th. We'll get all into that. But first, let's go on what to expect going into tomorrow. Now, the image you see here is 1 a.m. tonight. And you see, I don't have it in real time here, but you see this disturbance right there? That's going to work its way into the Virginias by tomorrow morning. Now this is tomorrow morning. You see it's worked into the area. No major accumulations except for your high elevations is going to continue. I'd say between now and Thursday, your real high terrain like Quinwood, West Virginia, Snowshoe, West Virginia, when you're starting to get 3,000 to 5,000 feet, they could probably see 8 to 12 more inches of snow between now and the end of the week. That's not so much for the lower elevations, but places like Beckley, Western Greenbrier is going to pick up some more light to moderate accumulation out of these systems here. Like I said, that's 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Let's look at the next slide here. This is 1 p.m. tomorrow. You see still high elevation snow showers. Those bands obviously will work into your low elevations too. Like I said, the snow showers continue to be in the area. This is 7 p.m. Tuesday. Still a little bit left there. So pretty much snow showers off and on all day tomorrow as well. Let's get into the next slide here. Is same thing for Wednesday, except it's just more of those upslope snow showers, not a disturbance coming from the west like for Tuesday. But you see more high elevation snow showers. This is 7 a.m. Wednesday morning. Now here's one thing I want to look at for Thursday. Now this is a European model. There is 2 or 3 models out there or so that are showing that a little bit of moisture may work into the area even on Thursday morning, providing some light accumulations in here from the south. That would be something we'll just have to watch as we get closer to Thursday. It doesn't look like a lot of moisture to work with, though, so I wouldn't get too excited about it. Because, you can see what's working in here to southwestern Virginia and southern West Virginia is not very much, 1/10 of an inch or so. You have to get down here to this blue down here to see up to half an inch of rain equivalent. So anything that you got from that moisture would be on the light side. Now here's the main thing that I wanted to talk about. The three major weather models, the GSF, Canadian, and European model, for some time now, for several days now, has been showing an ice event in eastern West Virginia and western Virginia, southwestern Virginia, as you can see right there. Now that's the GSF model. This is for the 25th. Now let's look at the next, let's see here, the Canadian model. Now the Canadian, just so you know, always overdoes a lot of this ice. So it's got more ice on this map, on this Canadian model, than what there actually would be. But again, this is for the 25th. You see it there, and our area here. The European model, not quite showing as much, but just the fact that it is actually showing a mix of sleet or freezing rain kind of gives some agreement with what the GSF and the Canadian have been showing. So we'll just have to watch that. Like I said, the 2 things we're watching is obviously we still got snow chances Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday, will a little bit of moisture work up into the area for snow showers continued on Thursday, and then obviously on the 25th for this possible ice event that's been shown on these models. Guys, that's all I have for now. You guys have a good one.